How to grow veg when you're short on space. Grow lots of great food for friends and family in the tiniest garden. Vegetable growing has become really popular in recent years, with Instagram-friendly allotments and gardens showing people growing plants that not only look good but make us feel great too. Celery juice and Sichuan pepper plants are just a couple of the homegrown taste trends this year. Small gardens, especially in urban areas where an outdoor space is perhaps just a balcony, mean it's worth trying to use every inch of space to create the perfect outdoor room for edibles to thrive. Here are 5 ideas on fitting veg into the tiniest places, taken from the inspirational Glastonbury of gardening. Caging your peppers. Use these great value and contemporary galvanized wire growing cages to support tomatoes or peppers. Plants can fall over as they get taller, so the cage is a great practical way to help them grow upright, let light shine through and make them easy to move from place to place, perfect for a balcony or patio. Other flowering plants and perennials can grow in them too, so they're very versatile and look fantastic. Bang on trend wooden ladder. A rustic reclaimed wooden ladder is perfect to offset pale orange terracotta pots filled with scented herbs, especially in a cottage garden theme. Great for a garden corner or near an outdoor cooking area. You can pot up your favorite edible herbs like rosemary, basil, thyme, and try a few unusual varieties such as lime mint. Etagères, furniture with open shelves, have become an incredibly popular way to display lots of pots and use hide up a wall or fence. Plant theaters are also great for balconies or garden corners. Often metal, they look fantastic year on year in all weathers and bring the inside out into your garden. Fresh take on a herb wheel planter. Herb wheels, made popular in the Victorian era, feature lots of different herbs in a formal circular or hexagonal design. This circular metal planter in a contemporary shade makes the colors of the salad leaves pop out, adding a twist of urban cool. Just snip your salad as you need it. Most will grow more leaves for a while before you sow some new seeds. Veg like spring onions can also grow well in small spaces such as this. Place your planter near your barbecue for handy cooking or use it as an edible focal point in your garden. Perfect pockets. Simple, living wall planters made from planting pockets are perfect for walls, fences, or window ledges, turning blank spaces into havens of foliage and vegetables really quickly. There are so many to choose from in different sizes that are space-saving and stylish. Hang up the planter and fill the pockets with recyclable pots or compost, then plant up with fruit, salad leaves, or herbs for color, scent, and taste. Just add water and enjoy. Clever space divider. For a more permanent fixture, you can create a bespoke, living wall, from wooden shelves. Painted to fit your garden design, it will really showcase your plants to brilliant effect. This type of shelving could also be used as a space divider, with the structure giving you a natural but substantial screen if your garden is overlooked. You could even put it on casters and move it around for optimum urban chic.